If your idea of a berry includes strawberries, you're in for a wild ride. You see, the world of botany is full of surprises and fascinating facts that can turn your everyday understanding of fruits upside down. Strawberries, with their bright red color and juicy sweetness, are often the poster child for berries. But hold on to your hats, because what you're about to learn might just blow your mind. You're in for a wild ride. The botanical world is a treasure trove of knowledge, and today we're going to uncover some of its most intriguing secrets. So buckle up and get ready to have your mind expanded as we delve into the true nature of berries. All right, botany enthusiasts, let's dive into the juicy details. The term berry is often used in everyday language to describe small, juicy fruits, but in the scientific community, it has a very specific meaning. Understanding this definition requires us to take a closer look at the anatomy of fruits and the way they develop. Botanically speaking, a berry is a fleshy fruit produced from a single ovary. Sound fancy? It is. But let's break it down. In botanical terms, a berry is a simple fruit with seeds and pulp produced from the ovary of a single flower. This means that the fruit develops from one ovary and contains multiple seeds embedded in the flesh. This definition might seem straightforward, but it leads to some surprising inclusions and exclusions in the berry category. It is. But here's the kicker. Strawberries, blackberries and raspberries aren't true berries. Despite their common names and appearances, these fruits do not meet the botanical criteria for berries. Instead, they belong to different categories of fruits. Strawberries, for example, are classified as aggregate fruits because they form from multiple ovaries of a single flower. Blackberries and raspberries are also aggregate fruits, composed of small droplets that cluster together. So what makes the cut? What fruits can we truly call berries in the botanical sense? The answer might surprise you. To qualify as a true berry, a fruit must develop from a single ovary and contain multiple seeds. This definition includes some fruits that you might not typically associate with the term berry. Think bananas, kiwis, and even tomatoes. Yes, you heard that right. These fruits, which we often categorize differently in our minds, are true berries according to botanical standards. Bananas, with their elongated shape and soft, sweet flesh, develop from a single ovary and contain multiple seeds, even though the seeds are tiny and not noticeable in the cultivated varieties we eat. Kiwis, with their fuzzy skin and green seed-filled interior, also fit the botanical definition of a berry. And tomatoes, those versatile fruits that we often treat as vegetables, are true berries as well. Yep, you heard me right. The world of botany is full of surprises, and the classification of fruits is no exception. It's fascinating to think about how our everyday understanding of fruits can be so different from the scientific definitions. This just goes to show how complex and diverse the plant kingdom truly is. These superstar fruits are the real botanical berries. Mind-blowing, right? It's amazing to think that the fruits we often overlook or categorize differently are in fact true berries. This revelation opens up a whole new perspective on the fruits we eat and enjoy. It also highlights the importance of scientific classification in understanding the natural world. Now here's the 411. True berries have 3 layers, an outer skin, a fleshy middle, and a seed-filled core. This structure is what defines a true berry in botanical terms. The outer skin, known as the exocarp, protects the fruit and gives it its characteristic appearance. The fleshy middle, or mesocarp, is the part we typically eat and enjoy. And the seed-filled core, or endocarp, contains the seeds that can give rise to new plants. They come from flowers with one ovary. Simple, but oh so effective. This single ovary structure is what sets true berries apart from other types of fruits. It's a simple yet elegant design that allows the fruit to develop and protect its seeds. This botanical definition helps us understand the diversity of fruit structures and the evolutionary strategies plants use to reproduce. So next time you munch on a banana, take a moment to appreciate its true nature. This humble fruit, often taken for granted, is a perfect example of a true berry. Its soft, sweet flesh and tiny seeds make it a delicious and nutritious treat that fits the botanical definition of a berry. Give a little nod to its secret identity as a true berry. It's like discovering a hidden superhero in your fruit bowl. Bananas, with their unassuming appearance, are true botanical berries. And this knowledge adds a new layer of appreciation for this everyday fruit. And when you see a strawberry, remember that it's not what it seems. Despite its name and appearance, a strawberry is not a true berry. This fruit, with its seeds on the outside and its formation from multiple ovaries, belongs to a different category altogether. Remember, it's an imposter in the berry world. The strawberry, with its bright red color and juicy sweetness, might look like a berry, but it doesn't meet the botanical criteria. This revelation challenges our everyday assumptions and encourages us to look deeper into the natural world, botany. It's full of surprises. The study of plants is a never-ending journey of discovery. From the classification of fruits to the intricate details of plant anatomy, botany reveals the complexity and beauty of the natural world. It's a field that constantly challenges our understanding and invites us to explore further. Stay curious, stay fruity. The world of fruits is diverse and full of surprises. By staying curious and open-minded, we can continue to learn and appreciate the wonders of the plant kingdom. So, the next time you enjoy a piece of fruit, take a moment to think about its botanical classification and the fascinating journey it took to reach your plate. Welcome back, botany enthusiasts. Now that we've uncovered the true botanical definition of berries, it's time to embark on a journey through time. In this chapter, we will explore the fascinating history of berries, from their ancient origins to their modern-day cultivation and consumption. Berries have been a part of human history for thousands of years. Archaeological evidence suggests that early humans foraged for wild berries, relying on them as a vital source of nutrition. These small, juicy fruits were not only delicious, but also packed with essential vitamins and antioxidants, making them a valuable food source for our ancestors. As societies evolved, so did the cultural significance of berries. In ancient Greece, berries were associated with the goddess Demeter, symbolizing fertility and abundance. The Greeks believed that offering berries to the gods would ensure a bountiful harvest and prosperity for their communities. Similarly, in ancient Rome, berries were used in religious rituals and feasts, celebrating their role in the natural world. Berries also played a crucial role in traditional medicine. Indigenous cultures around the world have long recognized the medicinal properties of berries. For instance, Native American tribes used cranberries to treat urinary tract infections and scurvy, while European herbalists prized elderberries for their immune-boosting qualities. These ancient remedies laid the foundation for modern herbal medicine, where berries continue to be valued for their health benefits. The cultivation of berries began to take shape during the Middle Ages. Monastic gardens in Europe meticulously grew strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries, not only for their culinary uses, but also for their ornamental beauty. These gardens became centers of horticultural innovation, leading to the development of new berry varieties and cultivation techniques. Fast forward to the age of exploration, and berries traveled across continents, carried by explorers and traders. The introduction of new berry species to different parts of the world sparked a global exchange of knowledge and flavors. Blueberries, native to North America, found their way to Europe, while European strawberries made their mark in the Americas. In modern times, berries have become a staple in our diets, celebrated for their versatility and nutritional value. From smoothies and desserts to jams and sauces, berries add a burst of flavor and color to countless dishes. Advances in agricultural practices have made it possible to cultivate berries year-round, ensuring a steady supply for consumers worldwide. But the story of berries doesn't end there. Today, scientists continue to study these fruits, uncovering new health benefits and exploring innovative ways to grow and preserve them. Berries are at the forefront of research on antioxidants, anti-inflammatory properties, and even potential cancer-fighting compounds, making them a subject of great interest in the fields of nutrition and medicine. So, as you savor your next handful of berries, remember that you're enjoying a fruit with a rich and storied past. From ancient rituals and traditional medicine to modern-day culinary delights, berries have woven themselves into the fabric of human history. Their journey from wild forage fruits to cultivated superfoods is a testament to their enduring appeal and significance. Stay tuned as we continue our exploration of the wonderful world of berries. There's so much more to discover, from their nutritional benefits to the latest innovations in berry farming. Until then, keep your curiosity alive and your taste buds ready for more berry adventures. Welcome back, berry lovers. After our deep dive into the fascinating history of berries, it's time to turn our attention to the incredible nutritional benefits these tiny fruits offer. In this chapter, we'll uncover the vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that make berries a superfood staple in diets around the world. First up, let's talk about the vitamins found in berries. Most berries are rich in vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that helps boost your immune system, promote healthy skin, and aid in the absorption of iron from plant-based foods. Strawberries, for example, are an excellent source of vitamin C, providing more than 100% of the daily recommended intake in just one cup. But that's not all. Berries are also packed with other essential vitamins, including vitamin K and several B vitamins. Blueberries, in particular, are a great source of vitamin K, which plays a crucial role in blood clotting and bone health. Meanwhile, the B vitamins found in raspberries can help convert food into energy, support brain function, and maintain healthy skin and hair. Now let's dive into the mineral content of berries. Many berries are rich in potassium, manganese, and folate. Potassium helps regulate blood pressure and maintain proper heart function, while manganese is essential for bone development and metabolism. Folate, also known as vitamin B9, is vital for cell division and DNA synthesis, making it especially important for pregnant women. One of the most celebrated aspects of berries is their high antioxidant content. Antioxidants are compounds that help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body, reducing oxidative stress and inflammation. This, in turn, can lower the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, cancer, and neurodegenerative disorders. Blueberries, in particular, are renowned for their high levels of anthocyanins, a type of antioxidant that gives them their deep blue color and potent health benefits. But the benefits of berries don't stop there. These fruits are also high in dietary fiber, which is crucial for maintaining a healthy digestive system. Fiber helps regulate bowel movements, prevent constipation, and support the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. Raspberries, for instance, are one of the highest fiber fruits, with a single cup providing around 8 grams of fiber. So how can you incorporate more berries into your diet? The possibilities are endless. Add fresh or frozen berries to your morning smoothie for a nutrient-packed start to your day. Sprinkle them over yogurt or oatmeal for a delicious and healthy breakfast. Use berries in salads, desserts, or even savory dishes to add a burst of flavor and color. And don't forget about berry-based snacks like dried fruit or berry-infused water for a refreshing and nutritious treat on the go. As you can see, berries are not just delicious, they're also incredibly good for you. By including a variety of berries in your diet, you can enjoy their numerous health benefits and support your overall well-being. From boosting your immune system to promoting heart health and aiding digestion, these little fruits truly pack a powerful punch. Stay tuned for our next chapter, where we'll explore the latest innovations in berry farming and how science is helping us grow and preserve these superfoods more efficiently than ever before. Until then, keep enjoying your berry-filled adventures and remember to savor the sweet taste of health. Welcome back, berry enthusiasts. After uncovering the rich history and nutritional benefits of berries, it's time to take a hands-on approach. In this chapter, we'll guide you through the exciting journey of growing your own berries at home. Whether you have a sprawling backyard or just a small balcony, you can enjoy the sweet satisfaction of fresh homegrown berries with our expert tips and advice. First, let's talk about selecting the right berry plants for your climate. Different berries thrive in different conditions, so it's essential to choose varieties that will flourish in your local environment. Strawberries, for instance, are versatile and can grow in various climates, while blueberries prefer acidic soil and require a bit more attention. Raspberries and blackberries are generally hardy and can adapt to a range of conditions, making them an excellent choice for beginners. Once you've selected your berry plants, it's time to prepare the soil. Berries generally prefer well-draining soil rich in organic matter. You can improve your soil by adding compost or well-rotted manure to provide essential nutrients. For container gardening, choose a high-quality potting mix and ensure your pots have adequate drainage holes. Planting your berries correctly is key to their success. For strawberries, space the plants about 12 inches apart in rows, ensuring the crown is just above the soil level. Blueberries need more space, so plant them about 4 and 5 feet apart. Raspberries and blackberries should be planted in rows with about 3 feet between each plant. Make sure to water your new plants thoroughly after planting to help them settle in. Caring for your berry plants involves regular watering, mulching and pruning. Berries need consistent moisture, especially during fruiting season, so keep the soil evenly damp but not waterlogged. Mulching with straw or wood chips helps retain moisture and suppress weeds. Pruning is essential for maintaining plant health and maximizing fruit production. Remove any dead or damaged canes and thin out overcrowded areas to promote better air circulation. Now let's talk about harvesting your berries. Patience is key, as it can take a few months to a couple of years for your plants to produce fruit, depending on the variety. Berries are typically ready to harvest when they are fully colored and easily detached from the plant. For the best flavor, pick your berries in the morning when they are cool and at their peak ripeness. Growing your own berries is not only rewarding but also a fun and educational experience for the whole family. Plus, you'll enjoy the freshest, most flavorful berries right from your garden. With a bit of care and attention, you'll be well on your way to a bountiful berry harvest. That's all for this chapter on growing your own berries. We hope you feel inspired to start your berry garden and enjoy the fruits of your labor. Stay tuned for our next chapter, where we'll delve into the latest innovations in berry farming and how science is revolutionizing the way we grow and preserve these delicious superfoods. Until then, happy gardening, and may your berry adventures be fruitful.